Hello, welcome back, and congratulations, first of all. You have made it to the final lecture, but this is not the end, this is where things expand. Because today we are talking about building your pet brand and turning it into online income. Let me ask you, what if your pet training journey could help thousands of people build your personal brand and generate income online? That's exactly what we are going to unlock. You already have value. You don't need to be a celebrity trainer. If you can solve common problems, train pets effectively, or explain things simply, you have something people need. Start creating content. This is your biggest growth tool. Share training tips, short tutorials, before or after transformations, and real life moments. Keep it simple and real. People connect with authenticity. Choose your platform. Start with one or two, maybe Instagram with short videos, reels, or YouTube, long plus short content, or just YouTube shorts. You can do anything, whatever you like. Consistency matters more than perfection. Remember this. Show, don't just tell. Instead of explaining, demonstrate. Show training sessions, show progress, show results. Visual proof builds trust. Engage with your audience. Don't just post and disappear. Reply to comments, answer questions, help people. This builds a loyal community. Monetization options. Once you grow, you can earn through online courses like this one on one coaching, brand collaboration, digital products, multiple income streams. The sky is the limit. You can do whatever you want. Build a personal brand. People don't just follow content, they follow you. So be consistent in your style, be clear in your message, and be authentic. That's your brand. Next is staying consistent. Nothing come easy in this world, and you need to be super consistent, and you should be in a position to give some time as growth takes time. Don't expect overnight success. That's totally unrealistic. I think you are not expecting overnight success with this. Post regularly, improve gradually, and results will come. Right now, decide this. What type of content will I create first? Which platform will I start with? Then take your first step today. Even one post. That's enough. Everybody starts with just one post, so just post something today. You started this journey to train your pet, but now you have the skills to help others. You have the knowledge to create impact. You have the potential to build something big. And here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to be the best in the world, you just need to help someone get better. That's how everything grows. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you out there making a difference in the real world. Bye bye and take care.